Hi, I'm Dr. Zadeh. For more than 28 years, I've helped patients rebuild their smile and their confidence with full arch dental implants. Most people who come to see me are dealing with dentures, failing teeth, infections, or bone loss. Some have been told they're not candidates for implants. What I want you to know is this: you won't be turned away here. We take on the challenging cases other offices avoid. Here is something most patients don't know. I'm the inventor of the implant system we use. It's FDA cleared, used by doctors worldwide, and other companies have even copied my design. But we were first, and we've spent over a decade perfecting it. What makes it different is its smart bone management system. It works with your bone in ways traditional implants can't. And unlike other centers that use screws, our full arch system is screwless and cement-free. That means no screw holes on top of your teeth that fail, discolor, or need constant filling. Just a clean, beautiful, lasting smile. At Zadeh Dentistry, every part of your treatment happens under one roof with one doctor. I handle both your surgery and your final restoration. No handoffs, no miscommunication, no different doctor every visit. We use guided implant surgery, 3D imaging, and digital smile design to plan your case with precision. And we have an engineer right here in our office who helps customize every mechanical detail of your treatment. Unlike offices that make you wait months, we can usually get you in the same week. You're not stuck waiting and wondering. You'll know exactly what's possible and what your treatment looks like. For anxious patients, we offer IV sedation right here in our office. And when it comes to pricing, we're completely transparent. One price that includes everything from your CT scan to sedation to your final restoration. No surprises, no bait and switch. Your new smile isn't a template. It's designed for your face, your bite, and your goals. I've been in this same location for 28 years, and I also teach other dentists this system. So you're being treated by the dentists other dentists learn from. If you're ready to explore what's possible, click the link below to schedule your consultation.